Kia ora. Welcome to the Bliss for Education. This course about Tailwind CSS, and I will show you how to install the Tailwind CSS and how to work with the Tailwind CSS properly. In this series, I will teach you every fundamental inside the Tailwind CSS you need to know. This course hosted by the Bliss for Education, and I am NipunDinuranga, and you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more. In today's sponsor, Bliss for Technologies, and they provide web development services and software development and also graphic design services, and they help you to grow your business into next level. And how you they find? You can browse for blissfor.co.nz, and they provide beautiful website for you as your recommendation and make you inquiries now. And now let's jump into today's tutorial. So before we have in today's lesson, we need to provide few installation, which are Google Chrome, Node.js, and Visual Code Studio. Let's see how to get installed Node.js. So when we go to the Node.js installation, just open your favorite browser and search for node.js. At the first link, we will be appear for node.js, and just now I'm click on the first link, and now at this time we are making this video, you can see the latest version we will be available for, and we have the current version 19.4.0, and also we have the 18.13.0 LTS version. In general, for this video I'm using the LTS version, and now I need to make an installation Visual Code Studio. So you need to first go to your browser. In this search bar, you just need to browse Visual Studio Code, and then we'll be saying code.visualstudio.com. It's basically our first search result, and it will go into the redirectory to this official site of Visual Code Studio. And here is, you can see the Visual Code Studio is available for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. And since we are using the Windows operating system, and then what we do, we just click on this Windows operating system and just download it. And after you're done to that, we want to go extension icon over here, and we can find the live server that we need to see in our web page in the live screen. Okay, so guys, now we are ready to work with Tailwind CSS. What Tailwind CSS is? Tailwind CSS make it different from regular CSS. And why Tailwind CSS is unique? Tailwind CSS is utility first framework, and that offers many predefined classes, and as they say, we build modern website without ever leaving your HTML. And now time for coding. Let's switch to our Visual Code Studio, and here is my terminal. We are work with it. And how do you find it? You need to go to the menu bar, and up here you have the terminal. Click on the new terminal, and in this terminal window like that, we type node-v, and after your installation you can see which version you have. And now I'm going to make a directory. You can see little folder icon over there, and make it rename. I'm going to call my first folder build. Create another directory for source, and now I'm going to create index file inside the build directory. And now again come to your documentation, copy this boilerplate like that, and it paste into your index.html file. Now let's come to our configuration folder. Let's move to the documentation. In here we have the introduction. We need to copy and paste this link. Now we need to make a few changes. We don't need JS because we don't have any JS file inside it, and SRC need to change into the build. And let's save this project. And now I'm going to create input.css file inside the src directory and come back to my documentation, and let's see which command better to import. Copy the source code, paste into your input.css file, and I'm going to rename my build file into the dist. And also we need to make the same changes inside the configuration file. So okay, now let's come to the final step, CLI build process, and now I'm going to run the source code into my terminal, and it will provide style.css file for me. Let's run the source code and it will make the style sheet into our main file. And now we have problem with the our index file, and let's link it again. Now our Tailwind CSS file ready for work. And thank you for watching this video, guys. Keep subscribe our channel, share this video and like it. I will see you with new tutorial.